Alright guys, if you're like me, and I'm assuming you are because you're on this channel, you use a lot of power tools. So we use a lot of routers, a lot of table saws, sanders, things like that throughout the day. And eye protection is always important, but ear protection is as well. And I usually go to one of these big heavy headphones, to muffle that sound. But sometimes, my ears sweat, it gets a little uncomfortable. So I reached out to Decibullz. Now this company, they make for shooting and all that kind of ear protection. So it should be good in my shop with all the equipment that I use. Now these are custom molded to your ears, and they were kind enough to send me this set for free so I could test it out and try it and let you guys know what I think. So I did get this a few days ago, and I've been a little bit behind with the hurricane and everything. But you could see, I mean, even their packaging is pretty slick. And I will put the affiliate link below so you guys can check this out as well. Now, from what I read online very quickly, it looks like I have to put this in some boiling water or very hot water to mold those in. So I think we're going to have to go inside to read these instructions, and we'll continue from there. This is the Decibullz custom molded. This is their shooting line, or their line for shooting. So they do have the right and left with this nice little carrying case. Oh yeah, there we go. We got little lanyards, carabiner, more fittings, and more fittings. So let's see what exactly we got going on here. Alright, so this is their full line. Now this is the one that I've got. Yeah, they make some for concerts, and they also make some where you can have the radios attached. Placement parts. Okay, let's see what these instructions say. Tip for molding processes: do not use foam tips. Okay, so I guess these are the foam tips and these are the silicone. I don't know what that is. Okay. Put each of these in a cup. Take this off. Take this off, put each in a cup, and we put this back on. And then we push this around our ear. Okay, we could do this. But before we put it in the cup, it says we got to remove this, and we put this on there. I'm glad they make these things different. Alright, so let's see, maybe the medium one. Okay, so I put this on there. And pull this off and put that over there. Okay, so now we're going to boil some water. Alright, so now we got to boil some water. Turn that all the way up. It says get 2 mugs. You don't want to do it in the same mug, you got to do it in 2 separate mugs, and those are the only mugs that I got on the counter that are clean. Gosh. And then after 5 minutes, you just mold it into your ear. Add the little foam. Take the silicone out. You could add the foam or use the silicone, whichever you prefer. And now you are good to go. So if you're looking for an alternative to standard headphones for your workshop, check out Decibullz. Like I said, I've got the one for specifically for shooting. They don't have one for woodworking, but it worked out very well. I tried it sanding, I tried it with my table saw, with the laser, the planer, the joiner, various tools in my shop, and it held up pretty well. They were very comfortable. Pretty much you didn't even realize they were there. They're pretty decent. They're priced about the same as one of these. This is the Bluetooth headphones. So if you're interested, like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Till next time, I'm Steve, and thanks for watching.